Welcome to the world of SaaS email marketing. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to making it work for your business. Diving in, SaaS email marketing is a powerful tool. It's all about sending the right message to the right people at the right time. Firstly, understanding your audience is key. Know their needs, preferences, and how your SaaS can solve their problems. Creating personalized content is essential. Tailor your messages to address your audience's specific needs and interests. Timing is everything. Schedule your emails strategically to maximize open rates and engagement. A/B testing is your best friend. Test different elements to see what resonates best with your audience. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Ensure your emails look great and function well on all devices. Analyzing data is crucial. Track your results, learn from them, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Lastly, keep it human. Engage with your audience, build relationships, and foster trust. In conclusion, mastering SaaS email marketing is about understanding, personalizing, and optimizing. It's a journey, but the rewards are well worth it.